Hello everybody, welcome back. My name is Jasmine and this is Jazz's Visuals. I feel like every time I post a video, the background scenery changes, which is very true because I am constantly going back and forth between school and home. So I always have two different settings, but it's a vibe. We just roll with it. So for this month's video, I wanted to give you guys a tutorial on how to slow down your clips in After Effects. This is something that's very simple, but I think very useful, and it can be like a little confusing, especially if you're starting like and you don't know how to do it. So I just wanted to put a video out there to help those who are unsure on how to do this. And I'm not going to spend too much time talking, so we're just going to get right into it. So once you have your clip imported into After Effects, you're going to right click on it, and then it's going to bring up this like drop down menu. You're going to go to time and then time stretch. For the stretch factor, you want to change this to like 200 or 300 or anywhere in between there. I think the most I've ever done is like 500. It just depends on the length of your clip and how long you want like the transition to be, because you want to make sure you have like enough time to cut it. But I normally just do 200 and click enter, and it's gonna extend your clip and just slow it down. But then you also want to go to the frame blending tool right over here, and then you're going to double click that until you see the arrow, and that's going to slow your clip down. And honestly, I'm probably going to slow it down a little bit more because for the sake of this tutorial. So you can see that it slowed it down, and then you can just trim it to how much you want and where you want the transition to start and to end. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can only do this when a clip is not pre-composed, so you want to make sure you do this before you pre-compose your clips. You can right click again and then pre-compose it like that, and then see the frame blending disappears. So you want to make sure that you slow it down before you pre-compose. And that's it. It's pretty quick but pretty effective. And that's all I have. Thank you so much, beautiful people, for watching. I really appreciate all your support, and I really hope that this video has helped you learn a little bit more on After Effects. I'll see you in the next one.